I'm going to eat garlic every single day for a month and see if it really helps fight cardiovascular disease. Garlic has been a popular health food for centuries, and many people believe it can help prevent heart issues, but does it really live up to the hype? Cardiovascular disease is a major concern worldwide, affecting millions of people each year. It's the leading cause of death globally, and the numbers are staggering. Heart disease can be prevented or managed with a healthy diet and lifestyle. Garlic has been touted as a potential solution, with many people swearing by its health benefits. The prevalence of cardiovascular disease is a sobering reminder of the need for effective dietary strategies to combat it. Garlic, with its potential to lower cholesterol and blood pressure, is an intriguing option. Many studies have been conducted on the effects of garlic on cardiovascular health, and the results are promising. By incorporating garlic into our daily diets, we may be able to reduce our risk of heart disease. Garlic contains a number of active compounds that have been shown to have a positive impact on cardiovascular health. Allicin, in particular, has been found to have potent antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. These properties can help to lower cholesterol and blood pressure, reducing the risk of heart disease. The scientific evidence surrounding garlic's effects on cardiovascular health is compelling, with numerous studies demonstrating its potential benefits. Garlic has been found to inhibit the formation of plaques in the arteries, which can help to prevent heart attacks and strokes. Additionally, garlic has been shown to have a positive impact on blood lipid profiles, which can help to reduce the risk of heart disease. The optimal amount of garlic to consume daily for heart health benefits is a topic of ongoing debate. Some studies suggest that as little as 1 clove per day can have a positive impact, while others recommend consuming larger amounts. The key is to find a balance between reaping the benefits of garlic and avoiding its potential drawbacks, such as bad breath and digestive issues. Eating garlic daily can be a simple and effective way to support heart health. By making garlic a part of our daily diets, we may be able to reduce our risk of cardiovascular disease. The potential benefits of garlic are clear, and it's an easy addition to make to our daily meals. Incorporating garlic into our daily diets can have a significant impact on our cardiovascular health. The key takeaways are that garlic has been shown to have a positive impact on cardiovascular health, it can help to lower cholesterol and blood pressure, and it's easy to add to our daily meals. I'm going to eat garlic every single day for a month and see if it really helps fight cardiovascular disease, and I want to hear from you. Have you had any experiences with garlic and heart health? Be sure to subscribe for more health-related content, and check out our other video on heart health for more tips and information.